Hello friend, welcome to Crazy with Cooking with Chef Sisu. Today I am gonna make tamarind juice for digest stomach, losing weight and stay young to eat and drink this juice. I'm gonna make this one. This is very good, okay? When you take this one, you're gonna get digest and clean out right away. So what you get from, where I get this from, gonna be, let's say, tamarind, okay, 95% seed less. You can go to Thai market and get this one. This is only $3 to $4, depend where you at, but I bought this one about $4, less than $4. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to make this one very easy. Okay, first I'm gonna have spring water. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this gallon, 1 gallon right here. I'm not gonna use all, you're gonna use half. So just start it. Put the water in here about half, because this tamarind right here very powerful. Okay, you take this one, you're gonna be thankful I make this video for you. Okay, so I use half gallon. All right, okay, let's get started. Turn on the stove. Okay, let the water boiling in there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead cut off this tamarind back right here. Out from here. This is a lot. This is 100% tamarind. Okay, this is very good. You gotta go to Thai market and go get this one. I'm gonna take off this one right here. This tamarind right here is so delicious. Okay, I can eat sometimes. If you're gonna eat sour, you can just take a little bite and have put in the mouth. You know, I just have that. So okay, right here, it'll be like one. This is a lot. Okay, a lot. Right here, this is real 100% tamarind. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead drop in the hot water. Drop like a hot and let them boil it. Just stay there. Let them water boil it and cook it down. Okay, I'm gonna show you another step. Let them be there for at least 15 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, 10 minutes later, the water boiling right now. This is the foam right here. Just take off the foam right here, okay? So make a clear water. Alright, this foam right here, we don't need that. Just go ahead, clear it out. Clear the water out. Clear this one out and throw away to the sink. Now I'm gonna go ahead break it down. You see that? They're boiling right now. The big piece right here, you're gonna go ahead smash it down and make a, smear it down, make the boiling very well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead doing this. Just go ahead, make it, smash it down the best you can, and let them boil until they get well. It's very easy. You can boil it and walk away and come back, take a look again. Very easy. And then you drink this one in the morning, empty stomach, and before you go sleep. Tomorrow coming, you're gonna clean out a crazy empty stomach. You're gonna clean out. This is very powerful. Okay, go ahead. Make this one and filter very good, put in refrigerator and drink that. This one up here, if you make more water, you get more juice. You can keep for whole 1 week. It's worth it. Try it and natural. The more you drink, the more you lose weight and clean out your stomach all empty and stay young. The most important thing, this is all the vitamin C. And you stay young. If you want to know more, you can Google benefit tamarind. Okay, Google and you know it. So go ahead, let them cook it down about half hour, and I come back. See right now, I already make a small piece already. Let them cook. Take time. It's not hard at all. So easy. You boil it and walk away. When it's boiling, just come on back and then mix them around. I think mix well too. Let them boil. I'll be back. Okay, 25 minutes go by. That's how they look like. Remember that when you sorry, when you make this, no sugar, just plain water and tamarind meat. Okay, I call tamarind meat. No sugar. If you want benefit, don't add no sugar, because it tastes good. Even though have no sugar, they still taste to me like a sweet and sour on their own, natural. Okay, let's do 25 minutes go by. Let them stew some more, and I will come back. Okay, get all the benefit here and just scoop that out, and I'm gonna show you how to filter. Alright, just let them stew. Take your time and relax and let them cook down for you. Okay, remember that when they're boiling like that, you can go ahead put the medium heat. Okay, high, no, medium heat. Let them stew it down, or you can go a little bit less than medium, just a little bit less. Let them stew. Alright, so let them cook. Take a little time. This, if you can take like more than half hour, then cook. All the benefits come out from boiling, so you can get all the benefits. So take your time. The good stuff take a little time. Okay, no, don't need to be hurry. Nowhere. Just take your time, relax. Okay, I just want to share with you. This is 1 gallon of the spring water. I use all the way. I just leave 1/4. So I leave 1/4 here, 3/4 in the pot right here. Okay, now they just let them stew, boiling down. Oh man, this, you drink this one, you're gonna see that, but you gotta keep drinking every day. You cannot stop because they're all good for you. Why you have to stop, right? The more you drink, the more you stay younger. Okay. Okay, it's been gone 5 minutes. 30 minutes already. You see that how the 30 minutes the stew go down, look good right now. It's looking good, right? Only half hour, guys. Not that hard. So easy. And if you love this drink right here, man, I'm telling you, you can do all kind of it. Next time I'm gonna show you how to make tamarind jam. Okay, but this one I'm gonna go ahead, just make the drink for your health and for stomach, clean the stomach down, losing weight. Look at that, it look thick already, looking good. Like I say, guys, the more you drink, the more you clean out, and the more you stay younger. Okay, keep going, stay younger. Okay, guys, just keep checks every 5 minutes. Just try to smell it down like that. Try to smell like that. Just try to break the piece, become to juice, right? Go ahead, just try to do that. About 5 minutes, I will take off. 5 minutes, but be 40 minutes. So I'll be back another 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, exactly 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and stop boiling. Okay, let them cool down. Take about 1 hour to cool down, so you don't have to worry. Just take it easy. Gonna go ahead, turn it off. There you go, turn it off. Now let them cool down about, I would say about 1 hour. Take it easy. Okay, 1 hour, you go ahead, relax, let them cool down, and I'm gonna come show you how to do the filter. Okay, look at that. Yeah, they're looking very good. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to drink this before I go sleep. Basically, I make for me and go to the bathroom like crazy. This is the best medicine ever. Natural. Drink, clean out, lose weight, and stay young. Okay, trust me, guys. Stay young. Keep drinking this one. Okay, 40 minutes been by. Relax. I relax. This should take a rest for 40 minutes already. And it's cool down now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to filter this one. Okay, still hot, it's okay, but it's not too bad. So this is how they thick looking right here. Yes. Okay, this is another tip I'm gonna show you. This one right here, the filter I bought from Thai market. This one only, look, only $3.99. Okay, you can use forever, use for year to year. If you take off this one, that's how this filter old-fashioned way. This basically is a coffee filter. So just like that, coffee filter. But this is new one. Okay, I'm not gonna use the new one today. Okay, I'm going to use the old one. I've been used already, so I'm gonna save new one for until this one break down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead filter this one. That's the filter right there. See that? See it come down? Clear crystal juice. They're very thick. be patient. Just shake like that. Just shake, shake, shake. Square like that. They come out. Just be patient because they're so thick, and that's why the benefits. It's very good. So I'm gonna show you. This is gonna be worth it. You squeeze it out. Kind of hot right now. Okay, you know I have to continue to squeeze like that. See that? They come out like that. Yes. Just like that. Okay, let's fill up some more. Let's go ahead, just filter this way. Come out very good. See that? It's old fashioned, but it's worth it. Oh yes. Okay, this is the last one. We're going to this to get more juice come out. Okay, there you have it. That's it, done. Very easy, it's not that hard. Good thing, you have to take a little time to do it. Done. Okay. Okay, you got the form like this. The form, let to take it out. Just take it out, clear the drink. Take it out. Yep, clear crystal. Spring water, you guys see that? Like the spring water. Look at that. You can't miss this. Okay, there you have it. You know, the good thing, take time to do it. You know, you boil for 40 minutes. It cool down about like 40 minutes, and then you squeeze it out. You know, just here crystal a tamarind drink right here. So I'm gonna go ahead serve. This is a good sour. You don't believe it. If you drink this one, I'm guarantee tomorrow you're gonna clean it out. There you have it. Ooh, so good. Sour, like have really sweet on that natural. So delicious, guys. Right. Drink for yourself. Drink for you. Stay younger. Drink for everything. Is everything good? Everything in here, guys.